Hey there, and welcome. Are you ready to take your Russian to a whole new level? Today, we're going to do something really fun. We're going to add some color, some life, some real detail to your language. We're talking about adjectives. Let's dive in. Think about it, right? You could say, this is a house. Okay, fine. But what if you said, this is a big, beautiful house? See the difference? It's huge. And that magic, well, that's all thanks to adjectives. They're the secret sauce to making you sound less like a textbook and more like a real fluent speaker. So by the end of this, you're not just going to know a few more words. No way. You're going to have the actual tools to describe the world around you, your home, your city, your friends. It's about giving you the power to really express yourself. So, you ready to get started? Let's do this. All right, first up, your first adjectives. Think of these as the absolute essential building blocks of description, and we're going to start with just 6 of them. Now, here's the deal. I'll say the word nice and slow, and then you repeat it right after me. Ready? Okay, our very first word is big. In Russian, it's большой. Let's try it again. Большой. Awesome. You got this. And of course, the opposite of big is small. Listen carefully. Маленький. Say it with me. Маленький. Perfect. Next, we have a word you're going to use all the time, beautiful. It sounds like this. Красивый. Your turn. Красивый. Yes, exactly. Okay, how about a word for something that really grabs your attention? Interesting. In Russian, that's интересный. Let's hear it. Интересный. Now for a super simple but super important one, good. We say хороший. One more time, хороший. You've got it. And to finish the set, the opposite of good is bad, and that is плохой. Let's say it together, плохой. And just like that, you have 6 incredibly useful words in your Russian toolkit. Awesome.
Okay, so you've got the words, but now comes the really important part, a little something I like to call the golden rule. See, in Russian, adjectives and nouns are a team. They have to match. It's kind of like they have to wear the same team jersey. Let me show you what I mean.
Here's the key takeaway. The ending of the adjective has to change. It's not a one-size-fits-all situation. It all depends on the noun it's describing. Is that noun masculine, feminine, neuter? Is it singular or plural? The adjective has to change to match. Okay, let's break this down with our word for beautiful, красивый. If we're talking about a masculine noun, like дом for house, it stays the same. We say красивый дом. But watch what happens with a feminine noun, like женщина for woman. The ending changes. Now it's красивая женщина. See that? Let's try a neuter noun, like здание, building. It changes again. Now it's красивое здание. And for anything plural, like люди, people, we get a totally different ending. Красивые люди. Isn't that cool? It's like a little chameleon, changing to perfectly match whatever noun it's with. All right, you want to know a secret hack for learning vocabulary twice as fast? It's simple. Learn words in opposite pairs. It's one of the absolute best ways to expand your descriptive toolkit, like, instantly. Okay, let's run through these. I'll say the pair, then you repeat both right after me. Ready? Большой and маленький. Большой and маленький. Красивый and уродливый. Okay, we've done the learning part. Now it's time for the doing part. Because let's be real, the only way to make this stuff really stick is to actually use it. So it's your turn. Let's put this knowledge into practice. So here's your mission, should you choose to accept it. Step 1, just pick a noun, something you know really well. It could be your house, a friend, maybe your city. Step 2, grab at least 3 adjectives from our list to describe it. And step 3, and this is important, remember the word order. Adjective first, then the noun. Easy, right? So for example, let's say you picked your house. You could say something just like this. Listen up. Это большой и красивый дом. Let's hear that again. Это большой и красивый дом. See the pattern? It's adjective, the word for and, another adjective, and then the noun at the end. I know you can do this. Go ahead and try it with your own words. And that's it. I hope you realize what a huge step you just took. Seriously, learning to use adjectives the right way is a massive milestone when you're learning any language. You should be really, really proud of what you've accomplished just now. I mean it. You've basically just unlocked a new power. You can now paint pictures with your words. You can share how you see the world with other people. If that's not a superpower, I don't know what is. And guess what? We are definitely not stopping here. Next time, we're going to build right on top of this and jump into the past tense. You'll be able to talk about what you did, where you've been, all the good stuff. It's going to be a game changer.
So I'll leave you with one final thought. With these new words, what's the very first thing you're going to describe in Russian? Don't just think about it, go find someone and say it. Thanks so much for joining me today.